Step 5, name the worksheet department cells. So there's a couple ways we can rename our worksheets. You can right-click on the worksheet tab and choose rename. You can also double-click on it and it will select the name. And then we are going to update this to department cells. And I'm going to hit my enter key and I'm going to right click on it again and we're going to update the color to the blue accent 1 darker, so the same color that we used for our subtitle. We're going to move this pie chart to a new sheet called Sales Analysis Chart. So when I click on the pie chart, I get a Chart Tools Contextual tab up here at the top. And I'm going to click on the Design tab that goes with this Chart Tools Contextual tab. And the last tool here is the Move chart. And we're always going to be moving our charts when they ask you to move them to a new sheet as opposed to an object in. This will just move your chart to another data sheet with grid lines. And the chart sheets are a little bit different looking and make your charts look a little bit more professional. So we can name the sheet here. If you forget to name your sheet here, you can always come back down to the Sheet tab to rename the sheet. But it's asking us to name it, to change the chart title, Sales Analysis Chart. And we'll say OK. And then it moves the chart, so it's no longer on here. But if we made any changes to this data, it would automatically be reflected on this chart. We're going to update the title to say monthly sales total. So I'm just going to double click in here and add the word totals to the end. Add data labels in the center position that shows percents. So I'm going to click on my data series here, and this says add data labels. I like to, I'm going to go to, I'm in my Chart Tools Contextual tab up here and on the Design ribbon. I like to use this tool at the beginning of the design, Chart Tools Contextual tab, Design ribbon, add chart element. It always spells everything out for you so you don't have to worry about what you're doing. So we're going to add data labels in the center position. So I'm going to choose center. And then this is showing values. So I'm going to click on these. And then I'm going to right click and say Format Data Labels. Again, this is just an easy way to get to where you need to be. It opens up this navigation pane for formatting your data labels, and they're asking us to just show percent. So we don't want to show values, we want to show percents. We're not really using the leader line, so we can uncheck that. And we're going to increase the font size of the labels to 20 and change the color to white. And I'm actually just going to do that on the home ribbon. So my data labels are selected, and I'm going to head over to my home ribbon and update the size to 20 and change the font color to white.